There you go, guys. Rain under the tarp. Obviously, if I was in a hammock, I wouldn't have it up so high. So let's have a look at the drip lines. Fire's gone out. So basically, I've put drip lines in there to work to basically stop the water from coming underneath there. Normally I go for a piss outside the tarp, but there's a drip line here that's sort of soaking up the water. That's dry. So I've got food to eat, and then I'm going to go to bed. Another late one again. Got carried away with the vlogs as I usually am, but that's my meal, and that's basically why I like being under a tarp. I'm not enclosing the tent, mate. You know what I mean? Tent's over there, ready for me. Good. That's it. Bye bye.